In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get a private server in Steal a Brainrot here on Roblox. If this guide does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment so I can help you out further down there. But what you're going to want to go and do is actually open up the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or even your computer. It doesn't really matter. Or alternatively, you can also just go to roblox.com in your browser. And from here, go ahead and search up at the very top for Steal a Brainrot, just like so. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually open up that game page. Once you do get to it, it should look something like this. Now, normally you'd hit play to jump in, but instead, go ahead and scroll down just a little bit or just tap on the two little people right next to that play button to open up a page that looks like this. And what you're going to want to select is create a private server. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this, and it'll show you the price saying 79 Robux per month. If you're okay with paying for this, give your server a name, something like Just Boz's Place or something, and then hit buy now, and you could choose to customize who can join right away. Just hit not now to skip that part. Either way, once it is created, you'll have your own private server where no one can actually steal your brainrots, which is very convenient. If you guys did have any questions on this tutorial, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.